Okay, so this is the little connector I built. Basically, that was the cable for the license plate lights, and I cut it and I put this universal style socket you can find anywhere in any electrical shop. And what I do, it's just unplug. This is the license plate light, and I plug this for replacement. So every Suzuki got this connector. It's really Suzuki type. I built this this connector maybe 10 years ago, and I use it on the SV, on my JSXR, on my old Strad, on the DRZ 400, on a Bandit, and it's always the same connector. This connector, it's the same for the blinker and for the license plate light. So just build this, and you have basically a plug-in for your USB charger, or charging your cell phone, or running your GPS. So every time I buy a new Suzuki, I unplug the tail light and I just plug this little connector for replacement. So it's plug-in, you have nothing to cut, and if you have problem with the cups, you can unplug it, plug the tail light back, and no more worries. So really simple. That's connected to my USB charger directly. So so that's it. On next bike, I'm just gonna unplug it and put it on the next bike. I don't have to do nothing, to cut nothing, to weld the wires. Sometimes you can do a mistake and blow up a fuse, but with this system you cannot blow anything, and of course it's right by the key. So when you shut the key, you don't have power, so you don't drain your battery, and you cannot take off anyway. So this is it, simple stuff. Build once time, and you're gonna use it on all your Suzuki, old style Suzuki. So I hope you enjoy this one. Peace everyone.